In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see or find your archived stories on Facebook. Now, to see your archived stories, it is pretty much simple. Just head over to the menu icon here and then tap on your profile photo. From this, tap on settings and then scroll down until you get to your activity. From here, tap on activity log and then tap on archive. Now here, if you have any archived story, you'll be able to see it here. Currently, I don't have any item on my archive. So if you had archived any Facebook story, it will be available here. So that's how you archive your stories on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.